Welcome, young explorers and story lovers. Today, we are going to travel to a village in India to meet a man named Rama Natha. He has a very big dream. He wants to find a magic potion that turns everything into gold so he never has to work again. Do you think such a magic really exists? Let's dive into the story of a bottle of dew and discover the secret together.
There must be a way. A potion to turn dust into gold. I just need to find the right recipe.
Ramanatha was the son of a rich landlord, but he was very lazy. He never looked after his large fields. Instead, he spent all his time dreaming of a magic potion that could turn anything into gold. He read old books on magic, obsessed with finding a shortcut to wealth without doing any hard work.
Another charlatan promising magic. We will have nothing left soon if he keeps this up.
While Ramanatha lived in his dream world, his poor wife, Madhumati, lived in a world of constant worry. She was a sensible and hard-working woman who watched with a heavy heart as their family fortune slowly disappeared. Ramanatha was so desperate to find the magic potion that he was easily tricked by swindlers and cheaters who passed through the town. They would promise him secrets in exchange for gold coins, and he would blindly pay them. Madhumati watched their savings dwindle day by day. One bright afternoon, news spread through the village like wildfire. A famous and holy man, sage Mahipati, had arrived in town. He was known far and wide for his immense wisdom and his travels deep into the Himalayas. When Ramanatha heard this, he didn't walk. He ran. He rushed to the banyan tree where the sage was resting. Ramanatha bowed low, his forehead touching the dusty ground, showing the utmost respect. He wasn't looking for spiritual peace, however. With desperate eyes and a trembling voice, he asked the question that haunted his dreams. "O great sage, you have traveled the world. Please, I beg you, tell me if you know the secret potion that turns things into gold." The sage looked at the eager young man and saw through his laziness immediately. But instead of scolding him, the wise Mahipati decided to teach him a lesson he would never forget. He smiled mysteriously and said, "Yes, my son. In my travels, I have indeed learned such a secret. But it is the most difficult task in the world." Ramanatha nodded vigorously, ready to do anything. The sage continued, "You must plant banana seeds. You must water them yourself. Then, during the cold winter months, the morning dew will form on the leaves. You must collect this dew, drop by drop, into a bottle. When you have filled a 5-liter bottle completely, bring it to me. I will chant the secret mantras that will turn that dew into the magic potion." Ramanatha finally found the motivation to work. He cleared his weeds and planted rows and rows of banana saplings. He sweated under the hot sun, digging and planting with care. His neighbors were amazed to see the lazy landlord finally working hard in his fields. In winter, the real work began. Before dawn, in the freezing cold, Ramanatha carefully collected dew from the leaves. Drop by drop, he filled his small bottle. It was slow, difficult work, but he never gave up, carefully pouring every drop into a large jar kept in his house. Years passed. Ramanatha focused only on the dew, but his plantation grew lush and green. While he chased the magic water, his clever wife Madhumati harvested the bananas. She sold the delicious fruit in the market, quietly saving the money year after year.
It took 6 long years, Sage. Here are the 5 liters of dew collected with my own hands.
Excellent. You have done well.
After 6 long years, the jar was full. 5 liters of dew collected by hand. Ramanatha, now strong and tanned from years of labor, carried the heavy jar to the sage. "I have done it," he cried. "Now please perform the magic and turn this into the potion."
Wait! Nothing is happening. It's still copper. You cheated me. I wasted 6 precious years of my life for mere water.
The sage blessed the water. "Test it," he said. Ramanatha sprinkled drops onto a copper vessel, expecting gold. But nothing happened. It remained plain copper. Ramanatha was furious. "You cheated me," he shouted. "I wasted 6 years of my life for just water." The sage calmly asked Madhumati to bring a box. She opened it to reveal stacks of shining gold coins. Ramanatha gasped. It was more wealth than he had ever seen. He looked from the gold to his wife, completely speechless. Where did this treasure come from? "This is not magic," the sage explained gently. "While you worked for the dew, you grew a great plantation. Your wife sold the crops to earn this gold. Your hard work created this wealth, not a potion." Ramanatha looked at the fields and finally understood the truth. Ramanatha never looked for shortcuts again. He realized the earth gives back what you put in. He went back to his farm with pride, knowing that hard work is the only magic that truly works. And so, they lived happily and prosperously ever after.
I understand now. Hard work is the real magic.